Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Twitter X camera not working in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can do is head over to all of your apps by swiping up, and then you can close all apps including Twitter X and reopen it on your device. The other thing that you can do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, what you'll have to do is tap on apps and then tap on X. From here, tap on permissions and make sure that camera permissions are allowed. If not, simply tap on camera and then tap on allow only while using the app. The other thing that you can do is head over to storage and cache, clear the cache of Twitter X and try again. If that does not work, try opening the camera app on your device. If the camera works over here and does not show anything else, what you can do is head over to your app drawer, type in X, long press on it, hit uninstall and reinstall it on your device. However, if your camera app also is unable to open up your camera, what you can do is head over to quick settings, tap on your power icon, restart your device. If your camera still does not open, it may be faulty hardware and you may have to visit the service center. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.